factory. Welcome. Let's move to the showroom. This is the showroom, and as you can see, this is a kiosk. We can make the kiosk and the dual screen interconnection panel, magnetic with capacitive 2-in-1 record smart blackboard, experiment 3D platform, mini record board smart blackboard, biggest size 185 inch, an interactive flat panel. Okay, now let's get into the QC testing room. So our material will be tested before production. Now we can see we are testing the power board. How to finish an interactive flat panel. Okay, let's move forward. Here are the aluminum alloy frames. We can laser your logo on the frames. The first step of assembly is the tempered glass with the frame. Here we are. Second step. Okay, we can insert the IR sensor into the frame. So there are 4-side IR sensors. After assembling, we can finish the testing here. Now we will check the LED light. Okay, we can see this is the backlight cover. And here, we put the LED light on the right and put the anti-reflection layer on it. Okay, now we're at the shelving window. Our dust-free workshop is industry standard dust-free workshop. We need to make sure the suitable humidity and the temperature to finish the screen bonding. You can see this is the layer. One layer is for balance the light, and one layer is for expand the light. After putting the layer, we will put the screen on it. Now we can see they just assembling the touch frame with the screen module together. Already finished the OC bonding and the frame. It comes from here. We put the Android board, the power board, and the side interface frame on the device. Later we will fix all the parts on this area. You can see the power board, the OPS slot. This is the OPS board for connecting with the Android, and this is the Android board. And that two small black part is the speaker. After finishing, we need to connecting the cables. When we finish all the cable connecting, we will put the cover. After finish, we will make the agent test for this interactive flat panel. So our agent test includes the high temperature test and the low temperature test. We have the specific testing room. This is low temperature test room. This is the high temperature test room. After agent test, we will test the IR sensor, the backlight, the speaker before packing. So you can see this is our testing process. We will check the IR sensor and the backlight and the system. After finish, we will pack the piece. And let's check the piping material. This is the cover of the box. You can see we put netting foam to fix the screen inside the carton. And we have this plastic bag to cover the screen. This is the final look of the package. Here we can check the accessory package. Wall mount. And this is for the other accessories. You can check. We have the remote. We have the power cable. The key for front sliding door. The guarantee card. and the writing code. If you need the touch USB and the HDMI cable, we can add it for you. Okay, now we're at the warehouse, and you can see here are the material area. And the white packages are the screen. Here are the tempered glass and some board material, cotton box. And here is the finished product area.